Hello guys, today is the review time. Let's have a look on this book. Title of the book is Reflection of a Man by Mr. Amari Soul. Mr. Amari Soul is a pen name of author. Amari seems to have ability to read women's spirit. After long search, hardly I found this book with the help of my friend. And let's have a review time. Actually, definitely a great book to keep handy for the future. In the darkest of places, simply love this book. I have read many books in my life, but hardly any book touched my heart. This is a worth reading. This book designed for both men and women to get their personal relationships more strong. This book is comprised actually on the 4 parts. The first one part is for you, it means for the females, and the second part is for him, for the male, for the man, and the third part is for both of you, and the fourth part, the personal collection of the writer. I will just review or summarize this part for you. Actually, in this part for you, how it's only for the women's, that how they should be treated. It encourages women must know what their importance, and they should know she is not less than someone who cares and give you respect you interestingly. Actually, in this part, Amari Soul wants to express that true love is an exciting experience, one that should never cause you to feel emotionally lonely. Sometimes the only person is help is a right man, won't break your heart, he will protect it. A man doesn't necessarily have to agree with your past, but he should be willing to accept it if he wants to be a part of your future. And the second part is for him, it means that this part belongs to the man. Actually, in this part, Amari Soul wants to express that a man, they should treat women as equal. In this part, man can understand the true value of women. She is standard of women and get her in better way. And this part tells you clear wisdom picture of the women. She deserve happiness. When she share to you her problems, it's not that she is complaining. She simply trusts enough to talk to you about them. Just because she smiles doesn't mean she is happy. To understand how she really feels, you have to let her talk and you have to be willing to listen. And in the third part, it's for both men and for the women. And in this part, Amari Soul wanted to explain that united they can win the world, how they both can meet not emotionally but spiritually for each other. A strong man and a strong woman create a strong union actually. If one or the other is weak, the relationship suffers. And in the fourth part, it's the personal collection of the Amari Soul. It means that personal thoughts or personal opinions, personal views of the Amari Soul, what he thinks about it. So it's in the form of poetry and full of wise quotes and poetry. Moreover, it must read for everyone. So according to this, according to me, the conclusion of this book is, while reading this book, I actually came to know my worth. How to be strong and independent women. Moreover, how to face challenges and deal to men. And in this book, you can see that these are just like a short paragraphs. And it's in quite simple language. Must go through this book. It's very unique piece of literature. Thank you.